everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please do not adjust your screens. I accidentally filmed in portrait mode for the first 40 seconds before I realised it is a rookie error. My phone automatically went into portrait mode. But after 40 seconds, you will get a full screen of video. I am so sorry. This video is in collaboration with a gorgeous glitter company called LaFlicks, who contacted me via my Instagram and asked if they could send me some glitter to try out and show you guys. Of course I said yes as soon as I saw what they had. So they've also given me a discount code for you guys, which is CCC5. That's for 5% off at the checkout if you like what you see in today's video. So they sent me some gorgeous little sachet packs to try out. I did tell them I was working on a project using reds and pinks, predominantly vibrant kind of Valentine's themed trinket trays. Oh, look at this one. They sent me these love hearts that come with little lips inside, this bright red heart, miniature heart glitter, which I absolutely adore. But this one here, I have to tell you, this actually became my favourite, and I ended up putting an order in today for myself because I couldn't resist. Wait till you see the results. I absolutely loved it. This cherry blossom was so cute, but I didn't use it, and I didn't use the green and the gold and the glamour that they also sent me. But I absolutely will use them in the future. But for this video, we are going to stick to the pinks and the reds. So before I mixed the resin up together and used the glitter, I decided to go and make a pattern on the moulds with the glitter glue. You've seen me do this in previous videos. So I thought, oh, this is going to be so cute. It will look absolutely beautiful against a pink background. And then I decided on the second mould, I would write the word love going straight across the centre. Now, I'm not a scroll artist. I'm not out here pretending I can write backwards and upside down with glitter glue, but I did like the way it turned out. I did end up fixing that O so that the bottom of the L joins the top of the O. And I just thought it would just look so nice. And I'm trying not to laugh because sometimes you end up talking to yourself through your projects. Let me know I'm not alone in this. You're halfway through a project and you think, yeah, this is just going to look amazing. And they do come out amazing, by the way. But you just don't take on board, you don't anticipate all of the things that you're clearly doing wrong right here. So in a second you will see. They are dry, they are fully dry. So instead of mixing the glitter in with the resin, because I'm worried about air pockets being formed around those edges, I thought I'll pour the resin in first. And you're all at home now saying, no, Claire, why would you do that? I don't know why. I just thought, we'll have a go. So, thinking I was clever, I poured the resin in first. I poured the resin around the edges, and some of that resin went over the glitter glue hearts and the glitter glue love word. And here's the biggest mistake. I used heat to get rid of those bubbles. What that did was, that told my glitter glue hearts and my glitter glue love word I didn't want them anymore. And they decided they were going to come away from the silicone mould and float off into the never never. So I'm laughing doing my voiceover, and I'm just because at the time I had to talk to myself and question my life choices and my decisions. But it's okay because it all came out amazing, and we can learn together. We're all here to learn together. So these stunning red sequin hearts, I started pouring them around the edge, soon realising my rookie error. They are just going to float away. So what I did, I ended up pushing as much as I could to the side, but then I ended up getting my syringe that I use for quite a few projects. I've reused this syringe now 5 times. I'm trying to keep a track of how often I can use something. As long as I clean it out at the end of each project, it's good, it's all good. So I end up using my syringe to come in and take out quite a lot of that resin, because what I want is just resin left in the rim so that I can push that glitter down. At this point I thought, actually those glitter glue hearts will look pretty cool in the edges. It will look really cool in the edges. That didn't last. I ended up taking those out, so it took me quite a while to get these cleaned up, but I did eventually get them cleaned up. So after that first mould went a little bit skew-iffy, I was hoping that this word would just stay in place. You could see it moving, and I thought, no, please don't move, you know, stay there for me. It didn't want to. Um, the more I played around with the mold, I'm now adding the love heart and lip combination. And it was at this point I noticed the tiny, tiny little lips. Loved it. This love word decided, no, I'm just gonna keep on moving, and the E started detaching itself. So yeah, you'll see me in a second. I decided it's not worth it, Claire, just take it out. So I do end up grabbing that glitter glue love word and just removing it. It was easier for me to just get rid of it, and I can concentrate then on not worrying about it. And there it goes. Yeah, it's a little bit of a waste, but I couldn't leave it there. I couldn't leave it there. I didn't know what it was going to do overnight, so I was so much happier afterwards when I'd cleaned all the edges and they looked just perfect. So this was the next day. The colour I decided to go with was a lighter pink. So I'm doing what I've done in previous videos. I'm mixing some of the Resin 8 Opaque Pink with some of the Resin 8 Opaque White. But this time around, I'm going to mix it all in one cup, and then I'm going to transfer it out into a clean cup just to make sure that I've got no white left at the bottom, which is something that has happened to me a few times. I just keep forgetting to transfer it into another cup. You can mix and mix and mix, but sometimes this white, it drops right to the bottom, so you would have to mix for a very long time to get it completely right. And you can even see where the white has stuck to the edges of the cup. So honestly, if you were going to mix two colours together, I would definitely recommend transferring it out into a cleaner cup. So that is exactly what I do. So these two trays are just going to be pale pink with the glitter edges. We've got the heart sequins and we've got the love hearts with the lips sequins around those edges. And then there's me just taking out a bit of chunk of resin because I reuse my cups as much as possible, clean them out as much as possible. I just missed a little bit there. So yeah, that's those two trays done. Now moving on to the third tray, I decided to use this Rosy Glitter. This is the glitter I was so excited about. And I'm going to mix the rosy in with some real rose petals, very similar to the bowl that you saw in the last video. I put a lot of this glitter in. I just wanted to pack it. I wanted to pack the whole pack in there, but I also wanted to keep some back. Kind of wish I put more in now. But yeah, so, and then I'm going to add in 2 little handfuls of these rose petals, and I just think it's going to look absolutely beautiful. In the back of my mind at this point, I was worried that the rose petals would float and the glitter would sink. But I was, I was willing to have a go and try it out anyway. And of course, the best way to prevent your glitter from sinking straight to the bottom is to let your resin thicken up, and that will give your glitter more time to just stay in place than it will. So when I pour resin, I usually pour straight away. I don't wait 20-30 minutes. I just go for it. I just do it. Yeah, so I'm really, really, really happy with these results. It is the next day. I'm so excited for this one. Okay, we're going to start with the outside too, and then I'm going to need your help because I'm not entirely sure how to finish them, whether I add tattoos or put the hearts back in that you saw float away, or put the word love back in, or when I get red vinyl, do I do some vinyl cutting in them? But we will start with this one. It is snowing here in the UK. Finally where I am, we have some snow, so I've been so excited. Ooh. Oh, I love that. I love the simplicity of the red and the pink together. Yeah, I could have, look at that. I could have used the whole bag. You know when you don't want to use a whole bag because you've just got a little bag and you don't want to use it all, but still, I like the fact that we've got a couple of random hearts that have risen. I actually really like the clear edge. I love the red and pink together. Definitely feel like it needs something here, so whether that would be a personalized word or just put the love back in. I had to order some more red glitter glue because I'd run out. When you saw it all float away, I realized I've got none left. So yeah, love it. It's a shame my camera doesn't really want to focus on this heart confetti glitter, but it is so vibrant. Oh, love, 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 love. Now, this glitter was my favourite, my absolute favourite, because I noticed halfway through it had little lips in there, little lips, and I was just like, that's so cute. Oh, got some overspill here, so I'll be able to just cut that off. Okay, oh, I've got a lot more going on in here as well. Some up the edges, gorgeous. Yes. Yes, love it. See those little lips, they're so cute. Yes, compare them both side by side. I mean, I love them both, but this one with the little love hearts and the lips, so precious, my precious. Yeah, again, I could have packed the glitter in there, but when you've only got a little bit, you don't want to use it. You don't want to use it all. But I had some leftovers in a pot, so I've made a coaster, but I'll show you that after. Love, I think this is definitely my favourite. Have to find the name of that and put it on the screen. Okay, this is the one I'm so excited about. Okay, before I demold this, I think the roses would have risen, so the roses would have been floating, and I think the glitter would have sunk. But I might be wrong. My fear is that you won't see the roses, you'll just see the glitter. But either way, look at that. We know they're in there. So let's go. I was right, guys. I was right. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay, this is my new favourite. I am unbelievably fickle. I will dump anything for the next thing. Look, this one. Rosy. That is that. Look at that. Oh, just wow. So yeah, what I could have done, because all the rose petals are here, I can feel them. What I could have done was shove the rose petals down inside the mold around the edges, like really get the rose petals down in there. But I always worry that there'll then be air pockets that I can't get rid of manually, that when I turn it out, there'll be big chunky holes around the edge. But that is a wow from me. And I'm really not bothered about the rose petals. You can see there, they're not really protruding too much past. So once the rubber feet are on, it will still sit happily. I mean, it's sitting happily now. Not much rock, but that for me, yeah, that's a wow for me. So let me know which one's your favourite. I'm going to need your help on a couple of these things. Let me know which one's your favourite. Oh my gosh, look at this one. 100% this is mine. Without a doubt. Who knew I was such a glitter girl? Like, I have never really been into glitter or pink, but look at me getting gooey over that. Anyway, so firstly, which one's your favourite? Secondly, what do I do with these? I will have to either put a photo update on my community tab on my YouTube, or if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see it there because I post a lot on Instagram. What do I do with these? Vote down below. Do I add tattoos, go back in with some glitter glue, and obviously I will then need a little top coat in each of these. I think I'm going to leave this one favourite, this one second favourite, this one third favourite, but I still love them all because look at them. Anyway, yeah, help me out in the comment section. What do I do now? How do I finish these off? LaFlicks, thank you so much for the chance to use this glitter. It has been a pleasure. Oh, I'm going to show you the coaster. I had lots of leftovers. I'm going to show you the coaster. So this is it here. Ooh, let's have a look. I just coated the back in the pink because I had some pink left over from here. And let's have a look. Wow! Wow. So this is a mixture of the plain red love hearts and a mixture of this one, I think. Yeah, this one and this one. So you can see some of those grey hearts and you can see a ton of those red hearts. Look at that. Absolutely a wow for me. Yeah, so impressed, so impressed. Again, I'm tempted to try my Cricut out, put something on here and then top coat, but look at that, look at that. Anyway, okay, enough because You don't need half an hour of me going, oh wow. So thank you so much for the glitter, LaFlicks. I've really appreciated using it. Guys, LaFlicks have given me a discount code for you guys if you'd like to check this out. So that is going to be written on the screen right here, right now, if you'd like 5% off glitter at LaFlicks. And I will put the link to their website in the description box below, and also the link to their Instagram as well, so you can check them out both ways. But again, thank you so much. I've loved this, and guys, you just need to help me know how to finish these off, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.